Please welcome.
Hi, this is Christian Jack from TSN reporting from BMO Field. Montreal Impact are in town. I just want to say what a great experience it is to see a team like Toronto FC in this wonderful city respect Toronto, Croatia. Obviously, they're wonderful veterans that are here. It's great to see the team here, and it's a wonderful city, wonderful game going on here, and a wonderful tradition.